Amwe aria marari igongona-ini riri ni nurses aria mathomeire University-ini ya Nairobi magikunguira miaka mirongo itano kuuma mathomo maya mambie kuheanwo University-ini ino. Umwe wa ituge iria cinyitirire mathomo na uruti wa wira wa nurses guku bururi-ini Dr. Muringo Kiere-ini augite nginyagia umuthi nurses matire maratugirio uria kwagiriire guku bururi-ini thengia ya makinya maria matacukitio niguo kugacirithia mathomo maya.
For a long time, I believe nurses in Kenya have really been neglected. Their pay, their terms of service leaves a lot to be desired.
Dr. Muringo ari muhari-ini wa mbere hari guthondekwo gwa kiungano kia nurses guku bururi-ini mwaka-ini wa 1967 na niwe wari afitha munene wa nurses kuma mwaka wa 1968 o nginyagia mwaka wa 1986 kuria ahuranire kwa dadurwo kwa mathomo ma nursing niguo makinye gikiro kia university.
It took many years of acrimony and protracted argument of the need to advance nursing education in Kenya. There were those in academia and in the ministries of health, particularly doctors, and they strongly believed that there was no need for the nurses to get higher education.
Muringo no ikaine gukorwo ari urigitani wa president wa mbere wa bururi wa Kenya Mzee Jomo Kenyatta ihinda-ini o riria ahinyagiriria atongoria gwikirira urigitani wa nurses hari gutheremia utungata wa ugima wa mwiri undu uria atatigithiirie nginyagia umuthi.
I would plead with you, those people in positions of influence, to remember that you cannot ignore people you have educated at a very, very high cost, and people who are ready to give this service to our community, and yet you are saying you have no money to employ them. This is not in a country like Kenya.
Nurses ni moretio guikara mari na urumwe na niguo mahote kugitira wira wao na kuheithia kiene.
You must see your profession as one. You must see yourself as one army fighting one common enemy, the disease and ignorance. Whatever you are asking to be done, it is for the betterment of the nursing profession in this country.
To assure you of our commitment to serve the university and to serve you, because you are the most important job for us. And you to continue to be the ambassadors of your great alma mater in all that is good that we need to do.
Igongona riri riratafanirio mukawa-ini wa Nairobi Safari Club ihinda-ini o riria aria marikitie kwamukira mathomo maya hau kabere mararuguririe kiungano kiria gikumarehe hamwe niguo manyitirire aria marathoma ihinda riri na matuike mugambo wa urutani uyu. Gerifotera Inoro TV getwa Karo Kenyugo Mwaura.
It's a celebration.